Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network with me, Dior Shaari. This is another product from Bath & Body Works that I actually want to try, and I give it a try, and then it's actually good, and it's called Sage and Cedarwood Essential Oil Mist with vitamin E and aloe vera from Bath & Body Works. Okay, before this is an already unboxing, but before we look into the product itself, let's look into some of the pictures and also details from the website. So this is from the Philippines website, Bath & Body Works. Okay, then right. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's look into the product itself. Okay, and then below. Okay, then behind. Okay. Sorry for my camera works. Not really good on here. Hello. Okay, that's it. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you're interested with the product, perhaps I will leave the link below if you're interested to buy. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.